Hi, this is Tim with Friendship RV. We have a 2022 Sandpiper Luxury 391 FLRB. This is the back of the unit. It's got an amazing amount of storage. Lights, outlets, and an 800-pound cargo tray that's on rollers. Our camp kitchen. Power awning. Also got solid entry steps. Extra large grab handle. This is a couples model. Front living room. Fireplace. 2 fold-out couches. Recliner. We've got a televator here. TV drops down. Got a window in the front. 2 air conditioners. Our 3D oven. And what that is there's an extra fan in the oven part itself. Helps cook things very large. Cook a turkey in there. 4-burner range. Microwave. LG refrigerator. Lots of room. Ice maker. Lots of storage. Our control panel here. This little guy right here is a motion sensor. So if you walk by, it will light up for you. Table and chairs. Notice there's no legs on the table. Lots more room for you. This is a bath and a half unit also. We have 3 max air exhaust fans. Our bedroom. Room for another TV. Lots of storage here. Shower area. Double sinks. Washer dryer prep closet. For second air. This is Tim with Friendship RV. Thank you.